Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you SEA CR's 160 LED magnet phone light. It's also available in the ST120 version. This here is a magnet phone light, selfie light for the iPhone, and of course for your Android phone, and our iPad, or a camera, and for every set. Because we have a rechargeable portable light here with 3 lighting adjustment modes. Selfie lights for the photography, for TikTok, for vlogging, for video, and social media. Magnetic field light compatible with the MagSafe systems. We can level up our photography and works as a reliable partner for photos, for selfies, for video shooting, for vlogging and makeup sessions. It's compatible, as you can see, with DSLR camera systems, because you can use it as a flash area to easy peasy make a good lightning at the front side and the rear side. This is possible, both sides are possible, and you can make this horizontal and vertically installation on your camera system. But that's not enough, because we can make more with that really cool lightning option. It is also compatible directly to our iPhone 17, 16, 15 up to 11 series and other non-MagSafe phone devices too, because there is a magnet ring included. Here it comes, a rechargeable portable compact pocket-sized device. The light is designed with 160 high-quality SMD LEDs. This delivers a constant flicker-free light with a dimming range from 10 up to 100% in 10% increments. The light also allows us to instantly switch the color temperature between warm tungsten light and to cool daylight. The built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable battery allows us to use the light everywhere around the home. Once fully charged, the light will last up to 2 hours used at the brightness level of 100%. We can recharge it using a 5-volt 1 A power source from wall chargers, power banks, or computer via USB Type-C and micro USB charging ports. And the clues, we have a double-sided lamp design. Whenever we are use it, on one side or on the other, there is always light available for us. And it's easy, because there are levers on it where we can adjust this. With here, the magnetic ST160 mobile phone magnetic fill light. It's compatible directly with a MagSafe system. 3000 mAh battery capacity, 380 lux, 0.5 meter maximum illuminance, 10 watt power, 160 pieces of premium LEDs, a pocket-sized lightweight design, and color temperature from 2500 Kelvin up to 9000. You can choose. And it's attached magnetically, set up instantly, with a long battery life, 300 mAh phone light, and adjustable lighting levels. We can make a shooting fill light, we use it as a camera shooting, or a selfie fill light. We can use it in a pocket size, with a mini size, and a portable device. So this all comes to you with that CI's 160 LED magnet phone light for our phone, for our DSLR camera system, for our professional rig, for our smartphone, because we can make a lightning job in front of us. This is the selfie version, but you can change the lighting direction to the front side. So you can every time make and focus on what you like to record. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.